Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I filmed my how to apply lashes little tutorial thing. This video was requested, so I figured I can get this video out for you guys since it's an easy video. Right now I have like a mess behind me, like my life is kind of in shambles, but I will have a upcoming get ready with me video just explaining everything, talking to you guys about everything, and I am trying to get back consistent with posting. I know I've been saying that for a while, but honestly, just y'all will understand in this next video that I post. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any future uploads. Leave this video a like and a comment, and if you want to see how I apply my lashes, then just keep on watching. Bro, why do I feel like this exposure is just like out to fucking party? So I bought a fresh pair of eyelashes just so I can show y'all the whole process of basically sizing them to putting them on and having them wear all day long. So these are another pair of Miss 3D volume lashes. You guys know I love these lashes with my entire being. This is the style M314, and they're just really wispy and like, I don't know, they're super pretty. So first thing, you want to be very careful when taking them out because you can like and tear like the lashes out of the band. So first thing, I just take the lash out. I don't put any glue, and so I just put it up against my eye. Who is blowing me up? So when you take them out the package, they'll already be like on whichever side, they should be on whichever side the lash is supposed to go on. So just look at it like this. So this one's for this eye. I'll just put it up to my eye, and kind of press it against my lashes, and then you can kind of get a general idea of how much you need to cut off, or if you don't need to cut anything at all. So these are pretty long. I could go ahead and just put them straight on, but I could have irritation in my inner corner, and you don't want that. And I'm sorry about the mess in the background, guys. Like, I'm moving this weekend and my life is in shambles. Now, basically you have to decide which end of the lash you want to cut. I always cut the outer portion for the most part because I kind of like how like eyelashes have that like gradient effect and kind of like, you know what I'm saying. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut the outer edge. I'm just gonna cut off one little section and then put this back up to my eye just to make sure that that's gonna work. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut my other lash really quickly, and I'm just gonna cut off the same amount I cut off my other lash. And I'm just using my Wet n Wild Megawear mascara, and this is just in black, I guess. Yeah, very black. I know some people wait until after they put their lashes on to put their mascara on, but I personally don't like putting mascara on my eyelashes just because I like my eyelashes to last me a while. So if I don't have to put, you know, that much product on them, I prefer not to. For the lash glue, I'm using this Duo adhesive, and this is the black lash glue. I recommend if you're a beginner, use clear, just because you can kind of get it everywhere you don't want it. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my lashes. It's easier if you put them in the tweezers just because it's just easier to hold them. And so I squirted way too much out, but I'm just gonna apply this to the band, and I'm just doing a really even layer. So I always like run my thing like back and forth just to like even it all out. And so I'm just gonna like set these to the side and let them kind of get tacky, and go ahead and do the same thing for my other lash. You really want to make sure that you're letting the lash glue get tacky, because if you don't, they're just gonna slide everywhere and you're gonna have problems. So it's always better to just let it get a little bit tacky before you go to put it on your eye. So I just like to wave mine around and stare at myself while I wait. Okay, so I think I've let it get tacky enough. So I like to kind of like tilt my head up and look down in a mirror, and then I just place it on my lash line in the center so I can get a good idea of where the end and the beginning of my eye are gonna match up with the eyelash. And then I just stick down the far corner. My eyes are like starting to get watery because they're open for too long. And then I stick down the inner corner. From here, you'll have a general idea of where your lash needs to be. So I just like to further go and like really stick those edges and corners, and sometimes I even like to take my fingers at this point and just like really push it into my lash line pretty much, which it kind of isn't good because sometimes my lash does get stuck to my actual eyelashes, but I just really like that seamless application. You know what I'm saying? Like, nobody wants to see your lashes and then your fake lashes. And that is it, guys. So your lash is on, it's really easy. So we'll just go ahead and apply the other one on camera. That way you guys can kind of see it again. I'm just gonna look down, place this one in the center first, and then just go in and place the edges. Sometimes it's easier to go in with your fingers. My lashes are so long that I can't apply them with my fingers. You just wanna go in and secure everything, you know. And I find that like really like taking my time and like pressing my lashes in makes the world of a difference. Like, I can sleep in these and they won't come off. Like, that's how secure these things are. And like I said, like if you're a beginner, you might want to use clear glue just because it can be very easy to like misplace your lash or kind of bump up against your eyelid or something like that. I like to use black glue just because it doesn't ruin my lashes as quickly, because the white glue kind of leaves behind, like, I don't know, like you can just see after you use that lash a lot, you can kind of see like the buildup, whereas the black glue, nothing gets darker than black. Your lashes are black, so everything just kind of like blends in at that point. It makes everything look better because like you don't have to disguise the band or anything like that, and they just last a lot longer. This video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.